Hello friends, today we will talk about choosing the best bedding for a stylish bedroom. Here is a comprehensive guide about it. When it comes to choosing the best bedding for a stylish bedroom, there are several factors to consider. The right bedding can elevate the entire aesthetic of the room, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere that reflects your personal style. Here are some important key considerations to keep in mind. First of all, you need to see the material. The material of the bedding can greatly impact the overall look and feel of your bedroom. Consider the following. In materials, first of all, go for Egyptian cotton, known for its luxurious feel and durability. Egyptian cotton is popular choice for bedding. Then there comes linen, a natural breathable fabric that is perfect for warm weather and adds a touch of elegance to the bedroom. Then there comes silk, a luxurious and soft fabric that adds a touch of sophistication to the bedroom. After that, there comes bamboo, a sustainable and eco friendly fabric that is soft and breathable. On number two, there comes style. The style of your bedroom can greatly impact the overall aesthetic of your room. Consider the following. Classic white or neutral colored duvet cover, a timeless choice that is easy to mix and match with other bedding and decor. Then there comes bold patterns and bright colors. Add a pop of personality to the room with bold patterns and bright colors. You can also add layering of different textures and patterns. Also add depth and visual interest to the bed by layering different textures and patterns such as plush, throw blanket, a delicate lace sheet or a chunky knit bedspread. Then on number 3 there comes thread count. Thread count refers to the number of threads per square inch of the fabric. A higher thread count typically indicates a softer and more durable fabric. Low thread count is from 150 to 200. A good choice for a budget friendly option but may not be as soft and durable as the higher thread counts. Medium thread count is from 200 to 400 threads per square inch. A good choice for a balance between quality and affordability. Next, there comes high thread count that is from 400 to 600. It is a good choice for a luxurious and durable fabric. And lastly, there comes ultra high thread count that is 600 plus, a good choice for a premium and ultra soft fabric. While choosing the best bedding for your stylish bedroom, now you need to consider weave. The weave of your bedding can impact its durability and softness. Consider the following. Tight weave, a good choice for a durable and rest prone to the piling fabric, and loose weave is a good choice for a soft and breathable fabric but may be more prone to piling. Remember to check certification. Look for certifications such as Egyptian cotton or Supima cotton to ensure that your bedding meets certain standard of quality. Lastly, there comes care instructions. Consider the care instructions for your bedding such as washing and drying instructions to ensure that it lasts for a long time. By considering these factors, you can choose the best bedding for your stylish bedroom that reflects your personal style and creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere. I hope you would have liked the video and subscribed the channel as well. Also remember to share it with your friends and family. Suggest a topic where you want to see a video. Stay tuned for next. Thank you so much.